So I bought a Doppler and just wanted to show the difference between the sound of the placenta and the sound of the baby's heartbeat, because these can be very easily mixed up, I think. So firstly, the placenta. Can you hear how it's kind of like a whooshing sound? So it's like sometimes finding the baby's heartbeat can take a little while as well. Here we go. I know he's there, that's why I found it so quickly. So do you see how it's more of a heartbeat sound versus the whooshing sound? That's the difference between the two. So this is why Dopplers can be slightly dodgy, because first of all, it takes ages to find the heartbeat sometimes if you don't know where baby is. I'm 37 weeks pregnant. And also, sometimes you can find the placenta instead, and then you might think that's the baby's heartbeat. Oh. There he is. So yeah, I didn't buy a Doppler until this stage of pregnancy because basically I wanted to see how they were used first, and I wanted to make sure that if I can feel the baby moving, then I know that he's alive, so I don't need to worry if I can't find the heartbeat, because sometimes it really is hard to find, and I just know that he's there from checking before, and I know that placenta cord is here. So